Morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that chapter 5 of accountancy, bank reconciliation statement. This is video number 42 and here we are going to solve one more illustration. This is with the bank overdraft as per passbook. So illustration number 6 we can see. From the following particulars, Asha and company prepare bank reconciliation statement on December 31st, 2017. So some details are given. Overdraft as per passbook 20,000, interest on overdraft 2,000, insurance premium paid by the bank 200, check issued but not presented for payment 6,500, check deposited but not yet cleared 6,000, wrongly debit by the bank 500. So this is the question. Here wrongly debited by the bank means all other things we discussed in the previous classes. Wrongly debited by the bank means one mistake is happened from the bank and bank reduced our 500 rupees on that particular day. Wrongly they did. Means we can claim for that later bank will give back that amount. Okay. At present what is that bank is reduced that in bank that much less amount only balance we will get. So we are going to solve this. So first item we write that overdraft as per passbook. How much is that? 20%. This is negative figure, so we write in the minus sign. Next what we can write? Interest on overdraft. See this. Now you know that we got this 20,000 after reducing that 2,000 interest. But you understand that this is reduced only, and interest over overdraft is reduced only in the bank passbook. That is not reduced in the cash book. So we are adding, actually this is reduced side also, we are adding with here. You understand now? So whatever we reduced, we are just going back. In cash book that is not taken place. So we are adding here with this amount. Okay. Means here we got this 20,000 after reducing that 2,000. No, after reducing that 2,000. So we write here 2,000. Okay. Just opposite. That means in that time only it will be reduced. This is minus column. This is positive column. So we reduce it. Next one item is insurance premium. Okay, that also you can see that one amount bank is reduced here. After reducing this only, bank got how much amount? This 2,000. Means that is not taken place in that cash book. We want that the cash book balance. In cash book that amount actually to be reduced, but that is not reduced. So in order to get that balance, we need to add here. So adding is at this side. Insurance premium paid by bank is at how much? 200. So next item. Check issued but not presented for payment. You know that from our cash book we reduce it, but in bank that is not reduced. That means when bank is making that payment, again what will happen? That now minus 20,000 is there. Again that minus will be increased. Minus 26,000 will be there. You understand now? Yes. You are getting. Now you see that when we reduce it in our cash book, we reduce it in our cash book. When we reduced that, what we reduced? Check issued. Check issued. That means we issued that 6,000. We paid that 6,000. Now we paid from our bank account 6,000. But we record as that amount paid. But bank is not record that amount as paid. When that amount comes in bank or that check comes in bank for the payment, bank will make payment if it is a current account. Now we know that the overdraft is already there. According to that overdraft limit, bank will make that payment. Then here amount will increase. 6,500 means 6,500. That means our overdraft negative balance loan amount will be increased up to 26,500. Good. So check issued, but not presented or payment. Is that amount 6,500? Next year. Check deposited. Not get clear. That means here you can see that this amount also actually in our cash book we increase it. But what is happen? Not happen. That is not collected by the bank. That means when bank is collecting that amount, our negative balance will reduce. That means that much amount will come to our account, not reducing from. Again, overdraft is not going to be here. I said that here our overdraft is increased up to 26,500. Actually, this is the effect. When that checks, this check also come for payment. But you know that when this check deposited but not clear by the bank. Okay, how much amount is that? 6,000. Actually, when this amount comes here, you can see that our negative balance. This is our negative balance. This negative balance will reduce. That means, according to this much amount, that negative balance will be reduced. We have only 26,500 as negative figure. Okay, there is no amount, but this much amount will reduce. 6,000 will be reduced. So, in order to get that cash book balance, still we are mention this amount here. Next is that wrongly debited by the bank. Wrongly debited by the bank. See, bank when wrongly debiting, after debiting only, bank got this 20,000. That means wrongly they did. Actually, they are not able to reduce that much amount. Now, and one thing, and in another thing is that there we cannot make any changes. We can just inform to that bank. Then bank will rectify that how much is reduced, that will come in our account. When it is coming to our account, you know that again this, that is 500 rupees, no? This negative 500 again will be reduced. That means that balance will come only as at 20,000. You don't think this 20 and this 20 is same. Okay, this is after adjusting this amount. Okay, so again our negative balance will come only as that 20,000. So in our cash book we understood that that is wrongly debited. So we are adding in our cash book. Wrongly debited by the bank. Is that 500? This much only, no? Then we take that the total both side. As I said that which side is having more? This side is having more. That is 26,500. Is a negative balance. Okay. Actually, this is the total negative balance. So, ask against how much adjustment or how much amount comes in bank. 70,000. So here also we write that the same 26,500, and the balance, if it comes here, it is considered as an overdraft or unfavorable balance itself, and if it comes here, for that this side will be more and this side will be less. but it is not like that. So here how much is that?
70,800.
800. That is
Balance as per cash book.
balance as per cash book and overdraft.